Maharashtra. Probe has intensified on IAS Pooja Khedkar's mother and father as they are reportedly on the run following accusations of threatening a local farmer. Pune cops reached Khedkar's residence for further investigation. Earlier, cops confirmed that both Pooja's mother and father are untraceable, they are unreachable with their phones switched off and their residences found locked. Areas around Pune, including several farmhouses and other known residences, are under scrutiny as part of the ongoing search operation. Cops have also issued a show cause notice against the couple.
Sir, can we say the family is absconding?
हम उनको ढूंढ रहे हैं. अभी यहाँ तो आप देख सकते हैं लॉक है घर पे.
तो absconding बोल सकते हैं कि नहीं बोल सकते सर, आप बताइए.
अभी यहाँ तो नहीं मिले तो आप समझ जाओ.
Now, according to reports coming in, the probe has been intensified against the entire Khedkar family. According to police sources, 2 teams have been formed to probe Pooja's mother Manorama Khedkar and Pooja's father Dilip Khedkar. Another team, in fact, is looking out for them in Ahmednagar. There are various teams operating in Pune and outside Pune as well. So probe intensifies against the Khedkar family. It's not just about misuse of power by IAS Pooja, but now the clout that was used by the entire family. In the video that we are playing out, you can see Pooja's mother holding a gun in her hand while talking about a land deal with a local farmer. The local farmer and his relatives, in fact, on record have said that they have been threatened by this family. Multiple such incidents have come to fore of power being misused, influence being misused by the Khedkar family, and the cops are on the lookout for Pooja's family. The mother and father are missing. They are untraceable at the moment.
सर, अभी आप इतना बता दीजिए कितनी टीम्स बनी है?
इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रहा है मैम हमारा, हम बताएंगे आपको.
आपने उनके अलग अलग लोकेशंस पे भी ट्राई किया है?
इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रहा है.
सर, अभी आप इतना बता दीजिए कितनी टीम्स बनी है?
इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रहा है मैम हमारा, हम बताएंगे आपको.
आपने उनके अलग अलग लोकेशंस पे भी ट्राई किया है?
इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रहा है.
So you heard the cops there on record saying that the probe is being intensified. We have Srushti joining us on the broadcast with more details. Teams formed, multiple teams that are on a lookout for Pooja's parents, not just in Pune, but in and around as well.
Well, of course, 3 teams are formed by the Pune police and they are looking out for Manorama Khedkar as well as Dilip Khedkar. 2 teams have left from Pune and they will be searching in Mumbai as well. 1 team is looking out towards Ahmednagar is what we are coming to know from the top sources of Pune police. Now this entire family is indulged into the entitlement game and that is now coming to fore. However, in this regard, this is a particular notice which was put up by the Pune CP here against Manorama Khedkar, which mentions the fact that she has used a pistol and that was a licensed pistol that was given to her for self-protection. However, she misused it and there is a threat to common people's life as well as that particular complainant's life. And if she won't be giving her explanation within 10 days, then her license will be cancelled and she has to produce that particular pistol to the Pune police. However, police is trying to trace down both of them, Dilip Khedkar as well as Manorama Khedkar. They are looking out at multiple locations. They have came here short while ago, but nobody opened the door. You can see in the visuals also in this particular door, there is a lock from inside and not outside. So multiple times police has visited this particular residence of Khedkar family, which is in Baner, Pune, and they are trying to look out for them. However, the couple is missing. They are not cooperating with the investigation. Their phones are switched off and that's why now 3 teams are made by the Pune police to look out for Manorama Khedkar as well as Dilip Khedkar. Ahmednagar, importantly, is a place from where Dilip Khedkar has contested elections earlier from Vanchit Bahujan Aghadi. So of course he has a stronghold there as well. So police will be probing the investigation towards Ahmednagar as well, and they will be probing the entire matter. And we have to see how much time this family takes to come to fore and give out their explanation.
Right. Shweta, Srushti, stay on with us, I beg your pardon. Amid all this, IAS officer Pooja Khedkar has refused to comment on the whereabouts of her parents who are currently absconding. When confronted by Times Now, Pooja Khedkar reiterated that she is not authorized to speak on the matter as per civil services guidelines, citing the ongoing investigation.
मैंने आपको पहले भी बोला है इस विषय में मैं कोई भी
It is not part of the investigation. Your family is
It
absconding.
is related to my thing, so I cannot talk about it.
Your mother
That is
has
the
been
re-
flaunting guns and police is looking after them, but they are absconding.
No, that's what I'm telling you. Related to this whole issue, I cannot say anything because the rules do not permit me.
So have you spoken to your parents? Because your father is giving interviews. जांच कमेटी से बात हो पाई ना?
Nilesh also joins us on the broadcast with more details. Nilesh, Pooja there not answering questions. She is saying that this is linked, although that video that we're talking about is the one in which Pooja's mother was seen flaunting a gun and while talking to the local farmer, that she has also threatened him is what the family says. But she says it's linked to me, so I won't speak.
Well, absolutely, and all of these evidences and allegations are proving the high-headedness of the Khedekar family, and this is not just limited to Pooja Khedekar anymore now. It also pertaining to the parents of Pooja Khedekar and their other relatives who have been in high-headedness and misusing their powers of, be it of money or be it their administrative uphold that they had been enjoying for a long term. And as we confronted her, tried to get her side on various aspects, including that Pune police claims where parents of Pooja Khedekar are absconding. She remains tight-lipped and have been repeating the similar answers since multiple days as of now, reiterating that she is bound by rules and regulations. However, when we confronted and asked her that was there no rules and regulation while she was submitting her forged documents, fake documents, and while her mother was flaunting pistols at poor farmers, was there no rules and regulations? She suddenly goes silent and runs away from our questions. So this situation has been developing since multiple days that we have been tracking down this story and bringing out some new aspect in this story. And at the moment, while we are present at Washim District Collector's Office, Pooja Khedekar remains inside,
right,
and away from answering to all those important questions.
Right, Srishti and Nilesh, stay on with us. Meanwhile, Pune police have seized IS Pooja Khedekar's Audi car amidst allegations of misuse of authority. The vehicle, equipped with a red and blue beacon and a VIP number plate without proper authorization, was brought to the police station. According to cops, Pooja Khedekar also adorned the car with Maharashtra government insignia without proper permission. Thanks now, Srishti brings you more. Here's a look at the ground report.
Well, right now where we are present is at the Chaturshungi Traffic Police Department, and you can see in the visuals that the Audi car which Pooja was using by putting up a lal batti as well as Maharashtra government board on her private car is now at the police station. What we are coming to know is that the driver of Khedekar family has came here to give the keys of the car. However, he has not submitted the papers of the car which was asked by the Pune Traffic Police Department. There are pending 26,500 rupees challan on this particular car. However, now the probe is initiated by Traffic Police Department. But you can see in the visuals, this is a private car of Khedekar family which Pooja was using. But there was a lal batti, there was a Maharashtra government board. Now this is a MH12AR 7000 car which Pooja was using, and it's a private car. It is not allowed to put up a lal batti or Maharashtra government board on it. However, Pooja was using it, and now the matter will be investigated by the Traffic Police Department. The papers of the car is not submitted yet.